Welcome, aspiring data detectives. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly uncover hidden truths and make smart decisions from a sea of numbers? Today, you're about to embark on an intriguing adventure, opening 4 mysterious case files that will transform how you approach data. This isn't just about memorizing terms. It's an engaging, hands-on training module designed to equip beginner analysts, data students, business users, and analytics teams with the core thinking skills needed to solve real-world data puzzles. Ready to crack the code and empower your decisions? Let's begin. This module serves as a foundational concept overview, a presentation aid, and an introductory course all rolled into one. You'll gain a practical understanding of the 4 main types of data analytics. By the end, you'll not only know what they are, but also how to apply them to drive insights and make informed choices in any field. Scenario: you walk into the evidence room. Charts and numbers cover the walls, presenting a snapshot of past events. Your first task as a data detective is to describe the scene accurately. Look at this chart of monthly sales. What key trends or anomalies do you immediately notice? Say it out loud or jot down your observations. Don't worry about being perfectly right. Just observe and articulate. How does describing the data make you feel? Curious? Overwhelmed? It's natural to feel a mix of emotions. Let's acknowledge those thoughts and continue our investigation. Key insight: descriptive analytics is the art of summarizing and presenting what has already occurred. It's like writing the detective's initial report, providing a clear picture of the past. This is your starting point for any data investigation. Scenario: a sudden, unexpected drop in sales last month has occurred. Why? As a detective, you must dig deeper, comparing regions, products, and customer feedback to uncover the root cause. What specific questions would you ask to find out why sales dropped so suddenly? List 2 possible underlying causes you would investigate first. Think like a problem solver. You have choices about which clues to follow. Do you prioritize checking customer reviews for sentiment or inventory records for stock issues? Your choice shapes your investigative path. Key insight: diagnostic analytics focuses on understanding the why behind past events. It involves drilling down into data to identify causal relationships and pinpoint the reasons for observed outcomes. Scenario: you've spotted a recurring pattern. Sales consistently drop every summer. Can you leverage this historical data to forecast what will happen this year or even next? Based on this clear historical pattern, what do you anticipate will happen to sales next summer? Formulate your prediction out loud or in writing. Repeat after me. If I consistently see this pattern again, I can confidently predict. Now finish the sentence with your own words, applying your newfound predictive thinking. Key insight: predictive analytics uses historical data and statistical models to forecast future outcomes. It's like a detective anticipating the next move of a suspect, allowing for proactive planning. Scenario: you know sales drop in summer and you've predicted it will happen again. Now, what actionable steps will you recommend to your client to mitigate this issue? Suggest one concrete, strategic action the company could take to prevent or minimize the summer sales drop. Share your idea with a partner or write it down. How confident do you feel about your recommendation? What additional information or analysis would help you feel even more certain about your proposed solution? Key insight: prescriptive analytics goes beyond prediction to recommend optimal actions. It helps you decide the best course of action, guiding decision makers toward the most favorable outcomes. Let's review the powerful toolkit you've just acquired. Descriptive equals what happened. Your initial report. Diagnostic equals why did it happen. Your root cause analysis. Predictive equals what might happen. Your future forecast. Prescriptive equals what should we do. Which case file did you find most interesting or challenging? Your personal choice often highlights your natural analytical strengths. Every great detective learns not by rote memorization, but by exploring, questioning, and reflecting on evidence. You've just practiced the 4 core techniques of data analytics, essential tools that can solve mysteries and unlock opportunities in any field or industry. Remember, the power to analyze, predict, and act is now firmly in your hands. Keep opening new case files, keep asking insightful questions, and you will undoubtedly become the indispensable data detective every organization needs. The best way to predict your future is to create it with data, insight, and decisive action. Ready to apply these skills? Start by identifying a small data set in your work or studies and try to answer these 4 questions. Share your insights with your team or peers, and watch how your data detective skills transform your impact.